Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. This video would be my review for the Date Night Glow Serum. You guys requested a lot for the review. And finally, after using this serum for about a month, I have my final thoughts to share. So stay tuned if you want to know my thoughts on this particular serum, and also if you like my reviews, which is, by the way, geeking out on ingredients and finding out what works best for you. Hey guys, so if you are seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I am Maitrayee Halder. I do make a lot of beauty and skincare related content mixed with a couple of contents that I really like. So if you are into that genre, then do consider subscribing and hitting on that bell notification to get notified every time I upload. Also, do not forget to follow me in my social media accounts where I'm the most active, and you get to be a part of what goes into my videos, including my Instagram, where I do a couple of live sessions to answer back to all of your skincare or other concerns. Now, if you are not familiar with my reviews, you can check an entire playlist dedicated to skincare reviews, which I will link it in the bottom box below. Pulp Date Night Glow Serum. It is a superfood serum moisturizer that does contain tremella, ceramides, and pantothenic acid. And as always, we are going to look upon the claims first. It claims to give you a steady dose of nourishment and hydration for your skin that keeps it looking healthy and illuminated. It also claims to fix your skin tone and provide you a much more brighter and younger look, and that is basically what we want when we are going on a date, and that suits the name perfectly. Now we are going to talk about the ingredient list next. Now this particular serum is a very skin barrier friendly and a very hydrating kind of a serum. This ingredient list is very short and sweet, and we are going to talk about the three main ingredients first, which is suggested in the bottle, which is first of all trimella, second is ceramide, and third is pantothenic acid. Now trimella mushroom is basically a polysaccharide, meaning it's a big sugar molecule, and it is mostly found in tremella mushrooms or silver ear mushrooms, and most of it is sourced from China. And the reason why tremella is really famous is because it is compared to hyaluronic acid, and most of the times it is much more better in terms of water holding capacities than hyaluronic acid. So yeah, tremella is great. Second comes ceramides. Now ceramides are really good for your skin barrier. This particular serum has three types of ceramides. The ceramides are really great for skin hydration, skin barrier, everything. Your skin will love ceramide, and most of the time skin barrier creams or skin barrier emulsions does contain ceramides because it is really great for wound healing as well as skin recovery. The pantothenic acid or panthenol is basically vitamin B5. This particular ingredient promotes wound healing and does improve your skin barrier. Coming on to some other ingredient that this particular serum has, it does has a lot of humectants. It does has sodium hyaluronate or hyaluronic acid, and it also has two lipid barrier friendly ingredients, that is cholesterol and phytospincosin. Both of them are amazing. So yeah, most of the ingredients that this particular serum has, humectants or hydrating agents and skin barrier friendly ingredients. Coming on to some other product specifications such as potency. Now this particular serum is very beginner friendly. Anyone can use it, even teenagers can use it. Mature skin type who has a very dull and dehydrated skin can use it. Teenagers who are looking for a very basic serum that will just provide hydration with a lot of skin barrier and wound healing properties, this serum is perfect for you. It doesn't have any exfoliating acid or any type of acid that does requires any kind of caution, but it does include hyaluronic acid, and you should layer a hyaluronic acid serum or a humectant based serum with a certain technique that you can go into my hyaluronic acid video in my actives and skincare playlist, which I will link it in the bottom box below. Coming on to the pricing. Now this particular serum is slightly expensive. It comes at a price range of about 1099 to 899 rupees. On most of the times it is available on sale for 899 rupees, but the MRP is 1095 for 30 ml. Coming on to the packaging, it does comes in a very cute packaging, pink tinted glass packaging with a dropper. Now this particular packaging is slightly tricky because first time when I tried to open it, it wasn't opening up, but you are supposed to pull the cap and then you need to unscrew the bottle, and that is how you can use the serum. So yeah, it is kind of tricky, but it also is a very travel safe packaging. So if you are going to travel with a serum like this, you are safe and good to go. Now Pulp is a completely cruelty free and vegan brand. If you have not seen my cruelty free Indian skincare brands, then you can check it in the bottom box below. And yeah, Pulp was the brand that I also mentioned in that video. Coming on to application. Now application of the serum is very straightforward, very basic. Use it as a serum. So after cleansing or toning, then you are supposed to apply a serum, and then you are going to definitely need a moisturizer to seal everything off. You can apply this on the both day and night, and as always apply a sunscreen at the daytime. Now coming on to the most practical practical part of the video, and that is the texture of the product. So this particular serum is very watery, nothing like your thick uncomfortable kind of a serum. It is very watery, absorbs super fast, and it is something that can be used by any skin type. No matter you're oily, you sweat a lot, you are using it on a hot and humid day, this particular serum can work wonders. Coming on to my thoughts of this product. Now, I have used this product for about 1 month or 1.5 months. I use this every single day as a layering technique. By the way, it can layer pretty well with any type of skincare. I basically use this as a humectant serum, so any type of skincare that I'm doing, I always include a hyaluronic acid based serum or a simple hyaluronic acid serum. That does gives me that hydration which I lose throughout the day, as most of us live under AC 24/7. ACs tend to dry out your skin, and for that I use my 3-type layering technique of hyaluronic acid. You can see it in my hyaluronic acid video. But yeah, the serum is perfect for layering up with your niacinamide, vitamin C, your morning routine, night routine, any kind of routine. Yes, you can obviously put under makeup and it doesn't oxidizes your makeup. And I overall like the serum for the simplicity and the type of ingredients. In terms of result, I didn't got any because it is a hydrating serum, and whenever I shave my face or whenever I'm doing kind of waxing, threading, anything, I always test out these kind of barrier boosting serums or barrier boosting creams on those times, because that is the time my skin barrier is compromised, and this particular serum didn't disappoint me. Moving on to my pros and cons. Now, I do not have any cons for this particular product. Coming on to the pros, now this particular serum is completely fragrance and essential oil free. It is also paraben free. If you are not into parabens, it does has a fantastic ingredient list. It does has so many good ingredients that are really good for your skin barrier. If your skin barrier is compromised and you need a serum that is hydrating, the serum is a perfect choice for you. It doesn't comes in that 500 or 600 rupees price tag, but the quality of the ingredients and the product does justifies the price tag. And yeah, I don't have any cons. It also comes in a glass bottle, and I really like this. So coming on to my final verdict, I absolutely recommend this serum to anyone who is looking for, first of all, a hydrating serum and also a skin barrier friendly serum. It is slightly on a bougie side of a price tag, not your typical 500 rupees price tag kind of a serum. Coming to the quality, I am going to try more and more of Pulp product, but as of now, what I need to say, this particular serum is really nice for anyone who is looking for hydration, skin barrier, and an overall serum that you can include in any part of your skincare routine. Hey guys, so this was my review of the Pulp Date Night Glow Serum. Let me know your thoughts in the comment box below. Like this video if you like my content. Share this video to any of your friends who are looking for the review of this particular product. And lastly, subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell notification, and I will see you in the next video. So bye bye and take care.